So now we're going to talk about one of the most exciting aspects of our Dynamics Retail solution. You know, because customers today have access to channels of information, to ways of shopping that they never have before. An example would be social networks, Facebook, Twitter. Retailers are faced with the challenge of offering access to their organization through all of these different media, different channels. And so from Dynamics Retail headquarters and our solution, you now have social commerce. You have the ability to centrally manage all aspects of your business, multi-channel management. So what we're going to show you now is the ability to take a promotion that you would create within your Dynamics Retail headquarters, post that to Facebook, and allow your customers to redeem that, take it back to the physical store location, and ultimately have a 360-degree online to offline experience that's really going to help drive your business and drive customer loyalty. Now let's go to the demo. So what we see here is Microsoft Dynamics Retail headquarters, where you can control your entire business from a central perspective. This is our retail dashboard, but from there we can move to our sales and marketing area, and you have the ability to create campaigns. And a campaign can be by region, any number of different variables, but it allows you to target different audiences with promotions, with discounts, with coupons, whatever the case may be. Here we see that we have a specific promotion, 30% off of bike gear. And we can do different things here. We can set a start date for this promotion, we can set an end date, a number of different areas that we can modify. And then at the end of the day, when we're ready to publish, it'll bring us to a page where we can look at setting the parameters of what this promotion will look like, whether it be on Twitter, whether it be on Facebook. In this case, we're going to say that it's a short time offer, first come, first serve. We're even going to go so far as to add an image to make it a little more eye-catching on the site. So in this case, we could choose a specific image that we have stored. We're going to add a coupon image, add that, make sure that it's ready for external consumption. And once we've done that, we now can again choose which social network we're going to leverage. In this case, we're going to choose Facebook. So once we hit publish, the real magic happens. This is where your Dynamics Retail headquarters solution will automatically post this promotion to your social network or the page that you have set up. Here you can see that we've successfully published. We're going to close this. And so now when we go back out to our page, our actual Facebook page, which you see here is the Facebook site. You see all the things you would normally see. This is a site that a retailer may have set up for themselves. In this case, if we go and refresh, what you'll now see is our promotion, which has now been published, which has been sent from your centralized headquarters perspective and put out on this network. If we click on that specific promotion, it'll bring up the details, and this is what you could ultimately pull up on a mobile phone at the physical store location. You could print this off and bring this with you. But what's very interesting is the idea that you have a separate barcode here that can be customized. And with that barcode, you can track whether it was a certain individual who redeemed the promotion. You can track if it was a certain demographic. A lot of powerful data that you can gather because of this unique barcoding scheme to then do analytics and do reporting. And so this is how you create that 360-degree view of your business, and this is how you can take advantage of new opportunities, but do so from one centralized application that manages all of your multi-channel needs. So hopefully what you've just seen is real value for a retailer. You know, it's hard to find someone these days that hasn't spent a lot of time on Facebook, and now retailers can leverage that as a channel to help sell to that customer, to promote their business, and again, build more customer loyalty. For more information, you can go to our website, and thanks for watching.